नो मेरे बॉस ने मुझे एक पीडीएफ भेजा है और मुझे इस पीडीएफ में से टेक्स्ट कॉपी करने हैं यार। पर पीडीएफ से टेक्स्ट कॉपी कहाँ होता है? डू नॉट वरी, हो सकता है टेक्स्ट एंड इट्स सुपर इजी।
So on my phone, you can see a PDF, but it is so difficult to copy the text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of these two pages. So that way you can copy two pages at the same time or whatever you want to copy. We are going to open Google, simple Google, and now we are going to click on the camera icon on the Google search bar. Now we are going to go, so we are going to select this one. Now we are going to say done. So what we are doing is we are giving this app access to our screenshot, which is very necessary in this case. So what we are going to do, we are going to select whatever we are going to need. Let's just select this one and now copy. Okay, so we are going to go to keep notes from Google Workspace and we are going to start a new note. We are going to start text and next we are going to paste it here. See, the text is ready. Whatever you want to do, whether you're going to share it over email or you're going to WhatsApp it or Telegram it, this is the thing that makes your life easy. This is a handy channel that's going to help you with daily life tech issues.